welcome to the online classes. In our last class we discussed about the seasons. Like because of the change in the weather conditions, there is a change in the seasons. The day to day change of in the condition of the air is called as weather, and the same words like the same whatever it is continuing, the weather condition which is remaining the same for some days or some months, it is called as seasons. So in India we have some seasons which are like spring, summer, monsoon, autumn and winter. And we discussed about the spring season. What happens in the spring season? It will not be too cool or not too hot. Many colorful flowers are grown on the trees, and new leaves will grow, and grapes, lemons, apricots will be the fruits which grow in this particular season. Then we have summer season, which is too hot. Mangoes, lychees, watermelons will be grown in this. Then we have monsoon season. In monsoon season we'll have a rainfall. Then autumn season, which is also not too hot or not too cool, and trees will leave its leaves of the trees will grow into golden brown color, and trees will shed their leaves in this season. And we have winter season, which is a cool season. We have cold winds blow during the winter season, and in some places it snows, and oranges and guavas are the fruits that grow in the winter season. Then let us now do the textbook exercises. Open page number 112. Lychees are the fruits of summer, winter or monsoon. Let us check. Lychees are the fruits of summer. Put a tick mark. Lychees are the fruits of summer. Guavas are the fruits of which season? See here, guavas are the fruits of monsoon season. Summer, spring, monsoon. Oranges are the fruits of which season? Oranges and guavas are the fruits of winter season. Okay. Trees shed their leaves in the autumn. See here, in the autumn some trees shed their leaves. In the autumn. We wear heavy woolen clothes in summer, winter or monsoon. Monsoon is like not too hot, not too cool. Yes, in monsoon it will be raining, so we will not wear woolen clothes, we will wear raincoats. So when we will wear heavy woolen clothes, we will wear in winter. Okay. Then we have fill in the blanks on page 113. The day-to-day change in the condition of the air of a place is called weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Weather. Hot dry winds that blow in summer are called loo. L-O-O. Loo. Okay. Hot dry winds which blow in the summer season are called, see here, in some parts of India, hot dry winds called loo blow in throughout the day. Then it dash in the mountains in winter. It snows in the winter. During dash we wake up to misty or foggy mornings. During winter we wake up misty and foggy mornings. We wake up to misty or foggy mornings in winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. In dash, plants bear bright colorful flowers. When bright colorful flowers will come, In which season bright colorful flowers will come? Let us check. In spring season, plants bear bright colorful flowers. In spring season, spring, spring. Correct the words in red and rewrite in the statements. The condition of air keeps constant or changing? Change. Condition of the air keeps changing. 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 We sweat a lot on a hot day. We wear light woolen clothes in autumn. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. 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 The weather is neither too hot nor too cold in two seasons. It will not be too hot or too cool. In spring. Okay. Match the rows. Spring. In spring season, what will happen? In winter season, we'll put up the fire. In monsoon, it is raining. In summer, it is very hot. In autumn, it will shed their leaves, and in spring season, lot of fruits will grow. A lot of flowers, bright colorful flowers will grow. Okay, children. Then we have active fish. Spot 5 differences between the two pictures. See here, there is a hair. Here they don't have hair. Here they on the hat there are dots. Here no dots. See the buttons and the pots design. Here scarf design. Okay. So this one. This hair 2. This flowers design 3. This 4. This 5. Okay. Solve the crossword with the given clues. The period of month when weather conditions remain the same. What is that? Season. 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 A fruit available both in monsoon and winter. Guava. 2. GUAVA. Guava. A festival celebrated in Kerala in the monsoon month of August or September. So, which is that festival? Let us see. In monsoon. Independence Day, Raksha Bandhan, Onam. So, which is that festival? In monsoon month. Let us find out. Trees grow new leaves in this season. In which season? In spring season. Spring. Spring. The season in which wells and rivers fill up. Monsoon. Monsoon. We wake up dash mornings in winter. Misty or foggy. Misty, M-I-S-T-Y, misty. And Kerala festival is Onam. Okay, then we have completed with this lesson. So we'll meet in the next in our next class with a new lesson. Have a good day.